Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your charger sharing settings on Wallbox, full guide step by step clearly. To update your charger sharing settings on Wallbox, start by opening the Wallbox app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings section, usually found in the main menu. In the settings menu, look for the charger sharing option. Tap on charger sharing to access the settings. Here, you'll see options related to sharing your charger with other users. Review the current sharing settings to understand how they are configured. If you want to make changes, select the option to modify the settings. You can choose to enable or disable charger sharing based on your preferences. If you enable sharing, you may also want to set specific access permissions for other users. Adjust the permissions according to your needs, allowing specific users or groups to access your charger. Once you've made your changes, review everything to ensure accuracy. When you're satisfied with your selections, look for the Save or Update button. Tap on it to save your new charger sharing settings. After saving, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the settings were successfully updated. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the FAQ section in the app for troubleshooting tips. Your charger sharing settings are now updated and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.